This 2026 Lance Squire SQ805 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 8 feet 11 inches in length and features a bronzite interior, smoke detector, self-contained, leveling jacks, TV antenna, stovetop burner, awning, LP detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 10 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Lance Squire SQ805 is 1,855 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.